Well, we have some thunderstorms that are working through the course of the night. And in fact, we are under a tornado watch until 11 p.m. because some of these could become strong, specifically when they're first beginning to develop. And they are moving right along the front, so that also induces a little bit of a shear into the overall wind speed, which is the difference in wind direction or speed with height. In the atmosphere, and that could institute that little bit of rotation. They could prompt a thunderstorm to actually turn tornadic through the course of the evening. Once again, tornado watch is active until 11 p.m. through a portion of our general region. In fact, pulling up the map, what we're going to see is all those red shaded counties right there. Those are the ones that are under the tornado watch. You might notice a little bit of the Orange County as well, just to the north and west of Aberdeen. That's a severe thunderstorm that is working its way on through along that front. So looking at the past 3 hours, basically what's happening is we have a line of thunderstorms that's training along this frontal boundary, pushing slowly into our region. And once again, we could see just that little bit of shearing action in the atmosphere that could institute that rotation. And that's what's prompted the National Weather Service to issue that. All right, we did have light little showers and a couple of thunderstorms embedded within them. Skirted through the earlier portion of today. That added a little extra moisture to our atmosphere. The good news is we're going to get some temporary drying before this next system begins to at least expand a little bit. And what we're really expecting is this is going to dive to the south and east, more east-southeast really, through the course of the evening. And that's going to touch off into southwestern Minnesota and northeastern Iowa as well. But current rainfall totals, Phillip currently seeing the highest amount at over an inch of precipitation. Watertown, on the other hand, only a tenth of an inch. High temperatures through the course of the day so far have reached anywhere from those lower 80s into the upper 80s, depending on how much sunlight you really got. What eastern side had a little bit more cloud cover, western side had more sunshine. That's what really influenced that. Plan ahead with the course of this, that low pressure system that is prompting those thunderstorms dives down to the south and east and kind of loses a lot of its energy. And in place, that warm front begins to extend back up into our general region, filtering more heat and moisture. Monday, for the most part, is looking not too bad. There is a slight potential of a stray thunderstorm that does well up through the course of the day, but really the better chance is coming on Tuesday with that low pressure system offshore west. So once again, thunderstorms dive off to the south and east through the course of the night. Sunday is not looking too bad, nice and sunny skies overhead. Same thing with Monday as well, and then it's not really till Tuesday we're watching. Sunday does have the chance for a scattered thunderstorm to pop up during the course of the afternoon, but those potentials are very small in general. Winds also a little bit switching around just because we have a rather tumultuous atmosphere at this point. For the most part, they'll be coming out of the east, trending more so to the southeast versus the northeast. And that's all thanks to that warm front that continues to feed in excess heat and moisture into our region. All right, tonight we're going to see those thunderstorms work their way on through. 67 degrees is going to be that low. And some of these thunderstorms could be strong considering the fact we do have that tornado watch until 11 p.m. tonight. Tomorrow, high of 87 degrees. Scattered thunderstorms is a potential into the course of the afternoon and partly cloudy skies overall. Monday, nice and warm. Once again, daytime heating does offer that 20% chance for a stray thunderstorm to well up. Tuesday has a much better chance, though, of seeing that as that line of cold front moves on through. But Wednesday through Friday, not looking too bad. Nice and sunny skies moving back into the general horizon, and that's going to keep our temperatures actually also in check as we're on the backside of that cold front. All right, I'm meteorologist Colin Rask with Watch Film Weather Watch Forecast. Thank you much for joining me, and have a wonderful remainder of your weekend.